If you're new to my channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell button so every time I upload a video, you'll get notified.
We're here.
Yay! Hey guys, today is my daughter's birthday and we're going to the mall. We're gonna have to go to the restaurant for dinner and I'm hoping that we can find a good restaurant tonight. Let's see what we can find. Let's go. Here she is, the birthday girl. This is one of the expensive malls here in Toronto, and this is called Yorkdale Mall. Mostly they have luxury items that they're selling here, and we're hoping to find a good restaurant, and it looks like we're gonna have to go to RH restaurant. We are looking at the restaurant called Restoration Hardware. It's a restaurant at the same time. They also sell some furnitures in there. So let's see if there's a spot for us. See? Look at Maddie. It's our birthday. Happy birthday, daughter. First, we're gonna take pictures. My daughter decided to change her outfit, so it looks like we're gonna go shopping first before we can go to the restaurant. Let's see what she'll get.
Let's go. Let's just mix it up.
That's cute. Oh, that's good.
Why is it that for like look at all the snacks?
Satin. Janlei, I like this one.
That's nice too, I like that.
Sure. Nice, pretty.
So now, I want to wear a dress. That's why I want to be here. Can I get it?
Just for now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's
I bought this new. Video and I knew it. The first time I saw it, that's it.
I feel like it has something like
It's
that.
my daughter.
But something
Oh,
different.
we looked at something like that.
Where are you going? Mommy.
My daughter's birthday today, so yay! We're gonna go shopping.
We did it last time.
Duh!
We finally found a restaurant and we're just waiting here. Look at that. It's a luxury. So beautiful inside. See? It's very elegant looking. So we're gonna have to sit down first and wait for our table. We started to take pictures first while we're waiting for our table. We just walk into this restaurant because it's hard to get a reservation at this time because of the COVID.
Plan things and you go.
Last minute plans are the best.
I love it. I love it. I said
Happy birthday, Janlei. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! That's my daughter. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay, thank you.
Yay! Woo!
I gave a gift for my daughter.
He's like, Mom, he likes pictures.
Where is this? From mom and dad? It's an Elsa charm!
No
Is it
way.
really? That's so cute! It's a snowflake! Like Elsa! Like my car! Elsa!
I like that.
That's so cute!
You like that?
For mom and dad.
No way.
I bought it for her. Yeah.
So cute.
Oh, mom, she just put dad's name on it. Like always.
Yeah.
Come. Mom, let's take pictures.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
King sense. Oh, my eye. One more time.
Happy birthday.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wacky.
Birthday girl.
Okay, that's it.
Fish.
And I'm coming with you after.
Yo, your hair's long. That's
Hold up.
Chill.
Ang ganda haba na ng buhok. Okay, my turn. I'm going. Where am I going?
I don't even know when we were smiling at. No, Dad.
Yes.
Wait, hold up.
Look at that one.
Okay.
Can you take pictures too on mine? Let's see. Press the button.
Dad, some multitasking.
Okay.
Really still.
Nice. Come here. Come here, boy. Come here. Dad. Come here.
I see you putting in effort, don't worry. It's not wasted.
Appreciate you.
Go sit down.
I like the hair. It looks nice. I like yours too. I had to give it a pause.
All I can see is the head. Happy birthday to you. Yay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Are you one?
Are you two? Are you...
Yeah, 23!
Yay! 23? What? Oh my goodness. Crazy 23.
Yay!
Sorry.
So extra.
Can someone light it? Or I gotta just take pictures of me with it.
Yeah, dude, pretty bad light it. Look at this cake. Whoa, shout out to Cynthia. Shout out to Lane for her birthday.
Cynthia, you did a good job. So cute. Well done.
It's the perfect amount too. Cake.
If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I upload a video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.